Good morning, students. In our today's this class, we are continuing with our topic chemical reactions of the amines. In this topic, first of all, we see that the behavior of basicity is ammonia is more basic with comparison to the amine. Okay. Then after what we observe in this case that if we add the electron donating group, this EDG means electron donating group, when we add the electron donating group on benzene ring, then we observe that electron density of these groups will increase, and this will increases the basic nature of the aniline. Okay, in this case we increase the basic nature of anilines. In second case, what we observe, when we add the electron withdrawing group, EWG, electron withdrawing group like nitro group, it will decreases the electron density on the benzene ring. So if we are adding the electron donating group, it will increase the basic strength, and if we add the electron withdrawing group, then we observe the decrease in the basic strength of the amines. So this thing is also affects the chemical reactivity of the amines. Now, in over this point, we have some reactions in the continuity. So, our reaction is alkylation of amines. We remember that the alkylation of the amines only takes place in case of the aliphatic amines. It will not take place in case of the aromatic amines. So, in this first point, we observe if we react this ethylamine with the alkyl halide. This alkyl halide name is ethyl bromide, C2H5Br. So when we react this, what we observe that hydrogen is given by this NH2 group and bromine is given by this ethyl bromide group. When both hydrogen and bromine react with each other, they will liberate the HBr, and we get the conversion of primary amine into the secondary amine. It means what we have performed in this case, we have the addition of alkyl group there on this particular aniline. Now after in the continuity, if we have the secondary amine there, we add the again ethyl bromide with this secondary amine, then we get tertiary amine as the product in this reaction. Now in third point we observe that tertiary amine is there. This is tertiary amine. When we react this tertiary amine with this ethyl bromide, then we get the product tetraethyl ammonium bromide. Our product is tetraethyl ammonium bromide. So this reaction shows that how we increases the number of alkyl groups into the amines in this particular reaction. Now the second reaction is after the alkylation, the next reaction which we have is acylation reaction. So we discussed the acylation of the anilines there. In this, the reaction is we are having in this first acylation acylation. In this acylation reaction, basically the addition of of COCS3 ग्रुप ऑन एमीन। यानी एसाइलेशन का क्या मीनिंग है, आपको COCS3 ग्रुप ऐड करना है किस पर, एमीन पर। सो वी हैव जनरल रिएक्शन इन दिस केस C6H5NH2। दिस इज aromatic amine, but we are using the aliphatic amine, ethylamine. When we react the ethylamine with CS3 C double bond O Cl, this is acetyl chloride or acyl chloride, chloride of acetic acid. When we perform this reaction, what we observe, hydrogen is liberated from this and chlorine is liberated from this, and we get the products C2H5NH C double bond O CH3 plus HCl. So by this acylation reaction we get ethyl ethanamide. The name of this is N-ethyl ethanamide. Either ethyl ethanamide as a product we will get in this reaction. That's why this reaction is known as the acylation reaction, because we are doing the addition of this acyl group. This acyl group is added on this particular ring, particular amine. So this is acylation reaction we have in this. Now next chemical reactions which we have related to this point. One reaction we have is benzoylation reaction. So what is the meaning of benzoylation is, we have C6H5 C2H5NH2, that is ethyl amine, and we add the CH3NH2 plus, this is methylamine. On this methylamine we have to add the benzoyl group. So we are having the benzoyl chloride. So CH3NH C double bond O C6H5 plus HCl. This product we will get in this particular condition. N-methyl benzenamide. This is N-methyl benzenamide. Okay. So these are few reactions which we have. We will continue with this topic in our next class.